Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create story templates with Perplexity. I just tap on my Google Chrome and officially logged in Perplexity. So how to create a story with templates on Perplexity. So example, I will just write jungle stories with templates. I just tab on for search. So here you will see it will create it for me. So jungle story templates. So template 1, template 2, and template 3 you will see. So in template you will see you will just find the title, the great jungle games, and character, hero, sidekicks, and opponent, and all the story it will create easily. So here you will just write it in the search bar for templates with stories of your choice, so it will be created easily. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.